Watch me transform my hair from this hairstyle to this one in only 5 minutes. Yes, girl, you heard it right. With my natural hair, I like my hairstyle to be quick, easy, and straight to the point. For me, no more wasted hours in front of the mirror to look decent. I beg. I wear my hair in a dozen of loose twists in general when I stay home. This allowed me to do my hairstyle in just a few minutes when I absolutely have to go out. But I kind of somehow lack inspiration. For this particular cut, once I've separated my hair into 4 quadrants, I unravel the twist. Then each section gets carefully separated from roots to tips, as you can see in this video. This step is very important as I'll be using tools later on to smooth out the base of this hair section. To not cause more damage than necessary, I separate each leg of the twist with my finger first to make it easier to comb and brush. A little water gets applied at the base to dampen it all down, as I never work on dry hair to avoid unnecessary breakage. I do massage it in to penetrate the hair shaft. Once the base has been carefully combed, I firmly hold the ends of that section and I insist to slide the comb through my roots. No bumps intended. I take my time. The video is actually sped up as we won't spend the whole day here. The hair located at the front part of my head is the most weak, so I proceed carefully. I add some gel and then brush it all off to flatten it. And let's take band tight. I proceed to do the last touch-ups, making sure there's no fly out. I loosely twist the rest of the hair, then I carefully roll it all up to form a bun. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, your choice, girl. That's pretty much it. I proceed to do the exact same steps on the other side of my head in the same order. Separate the twist into fine hair strands, spray water at the base, then comb, gel, brush, elastic band, then twist and tie all around to create the other knot. Lastly, a scarf to slick it to the guards, and the top half of my head is set. The back half of my head consists of unraveling, separating with my fingers, then combing the base, but this time only to create volume. And then bam, this is the final result. Before and after, not that difficult, isn't it? You could actually use added hair to make the 2 bands look bigger, or even the half part of the hair that is out to look more voluminous, especially if your hair is shorter than mine or if you don't feel comfortable with your natural hair volume.